This might be one of the most peaceful places I've ever stayed in Japan. We stayed at Rakuyu, a stunning ryokan-style hotel near Mount Fuji. Tatami floors, floor futons, and minimalist design. The toilet also has a bidet. The staff already preheated the entire room, so it was quite hot at first. There's also a mini fridge to store all your convenience store goodies. To its left, there's a drink section with mugs, teacups, tea bags, and coffee pods. They also have a private onsen you can book, even though we had one right in our room. The smell of hinoki wood with the steam from the hot spring was incredible. The room overlooks Lake Kawaguchi. The room is also huge. There's plenty of space for your luggages. They also provided tote bags for going to the onsen, as well as yukata sets, cute socks, bath towels, and amenity kits. There's also a mini living room sort of sitting area overlooking Lake Kawaguchi. We also watched the fireworks at night here. The tatami was basically a mattress, so it was quite comfortable. Would you stay here?